Hello friends, I am Pranita Sheshni, the student of Recent Training Center. Today I am here to discuss the technical topic. In that today we are going to discuss the pharmacovigilance. In that rare and orphan drug pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effects of any other drug related problems. It is an essential part of drug safety monitoring to ensure that medications are used safely and effectively in the population. While pharmacovigilance applies to all the drugs, special considerations are required for rare and orphan drugs due to their unique characteristics and the challenges they present in the term of safety monitoring. Now, the definition and importance of the rare and orphan drugs. Rare drugs. These are drugs that are used to treat the rare diseases which affects a small number of people. The European Union defines a rare disease as one that affects fewer than 1 in 2000 individuals, and in the United States the threshold is fewer than 200,000 people. Rare diseases are often chronic, progressive, and life threatening. Orphan drugs. Orphan drugs are the medications that are developed to treat the disease that are rare. The term orphan comes from the fact that these drugs often have a limited commercial potential due to the small patient population, making them unattractive to the pharmaceutical companies from a purely financial perspective. Orphan drug destination provides the incentives such as market exclusivity, tax credits, and the funding to encourage the development of these drugs. The development of orphan drugs is essential because it addresses unmet medical needs and provides hope for the patients suffering from the conditions with the limited treatment options. However, since these diseases are rare, clinical trials for orphan drugs typically have a small sample sizes which can lead to challenges in assessing the safety profile of the drug. Challenges in the pharmacovigilance for the rare and orphan drugs. In that, first is the limited clinical trial data. Orphan drugs are often approved based on the limited clinical trial that involve a small number of patients, which can lead to a lack of comprehensive data regarding long-term safety and rare adverse events. Traditional phase third clinical trial uh, for orphan drugs may not detect all potential risks due to the small patient population involved. Next, that is the post marketing surveillance. Because of the small patient population, adverse drug reactions may not be detected during the pre market clinical trials, thus, pharmacovigilance becomes crucial. Post marketing, however, the spontaneous reporting of adverse event in the general population may be limited, making it difficult to gather comprehensive safety data for rare and orphan drugs. Next, that is the underreporting of adverse events. Due to the rarity of the diseases, healthcare providers and the patients may not be familiar with the potential adverse effects of orphan drugs. These may also be lack of awareness about the importance of reporting these events, leading to the underreporting, which can further limit the understanding of a drug safety profile. Next, that is the patient and physician experience. For rare diseases, both patients and healthcare providers may have a limited experience with the drugs used to treat them. This can result in challenges in recognizing and managing the adverse effects. Spontaneous reporting of adverse event in the general population may be limited, making it difficult to gather comprehensive safety data for a rare and orphan drugs. Underreporting of adverse events. Next, that is the strategies of the pharmacovigilance of orphan drugs. In that first is the enhanced post-marketing surveillance. It is crucial to the implement robust pharmacovigilance activities after the approval of orphan drugs. This may include the close monitoring of adverse event reports, ongoing safety assessments, and additional post-marketing studies to monitor long-term safety and efficacy. Next, that is the risk management plan, that is the RPMs. Orphan drugs are often subjected to the specific risk management plans as part of their approval process. These plans define strategies to minimize and manage the risks associated with the drug, included post-marketing surveillance, risk minimization strategies, and the safety communication. Patient registries can be powerful tool in monitoring the long-term safety and effectiveness of orphan drugs. These registries allow for the collection of data on a large number of patients over extended period, providing valuable insights into a rare adverse events and that may not be have been observed in a clinical trials. Today we discuss about the rare and orphan drugs which are used in the pharmacovigilance. Thank you friends for listening me today. Thank you again.